Hi, this is Michael with Iconasys. Today we'll be doing a real-time workflow video using our ShutterStream 360 software, Canon DSLR camera, Iconasys medium USB turntable, LumiPad 360 lighting setup, and our 360 Acrylic Riser. I've connected my camera via USB and enabled the live view. As you can see my hand going back and forth. That is a real-time preview of what the camera sees. The great thing about our real-time preview is we can start to adjust camera settings, and while in this live view mode, we can see changes in real time as we make those to our camera settings, so we can see the exposure firsthand. That exposure looks pretty good. The next thing I'm going to do is go and check my focal point, so I can zoom in nice and up close and start to see if I can bring my object back into focus. We can see it's nice and crisp now, and that looks good. Our camera settings as well as our focal point are going to remain from shot to shot. I will now enter into my 360 shooting mode, and I'm going to pre-rotate the turntable. This step is useful for two different things. One, to ensure that we position our object in the center of the turntable, and two, what we want to be able to do is pre-crop our subject, meaning that we can define the area that we're going to shoot so we don't have to shoot the entire frame. So this rectangle that I'm defining here is our pre-crop. And it looks like we've done quite a good job of positioning our object in the center of the turntable. So after we've adjusted our pre-crop and we've confirmed that our object is spinning on axis in the center of the turntable, we're going to go ahead and stop our turntable at our first shooting angle. Maybe we'll use this shooting angle right here for our first shot. And I might just give a little bit more room on the bottom. Okay. So our next step is to shoot between 8 and 72 frames per 360, and we typically suggest about 24 to 36, but for the purpose of this demo I will do 24. I hit OK, and that's going to automate our image capture process in a turn, stop, snap workflow. Again, this will be completely automated. Image capture time is going to take about 2 minutes, and again, we're seeing the results as they're being captured, uploaded into the application. Okay, so we're nearing completion of our 360 image capture sequence. Again, 24 frames. Capture time is about 2 minutes. We'll get a notification that 360 image capture complete, and then from there what we can do is select all our images and we can enter into our editing tool. We do have a very vast image editing suite. First thing we're going to want to do is inspect this using the eyedropper tool up here in the top right, and you can see the RGB color values. And you can see that the RGB color values are 255, 255, 255, meaning that we've shot it instantly onto pure white. I'm going to make a small adjustment or two. And let me just increase a saturation just a tad to get some color going. Okay, so after we've made our adjustments here, what we can start to do is, and let me just increase our sharpness. I'm actually going to hit apply to all. So in a batch process, it's going to race through every single image in the set and edit them with those exact same edits that I'd made on the first image. Okay, now we can see operation complete. We'll move on to our last step, which is to output these images. I'm just going to call this Perfume dash. It's going to name them sequentially 01 through 24. Users do have full control to resize our images in a batch process. So I'm going to say let's resize all these to 800 pixels wide. I'm going to choose my resolution. If I need to, I can do 72 up to 300 dpi. Users can also watermark their own company logo stamped on the images at any location they prefer, as well as instantly transfer to an FTP. I will hit OK, and again that's going to go ahead and start outputting everything to whatever folder I'd specified, which was our Perfume folder. Now that we've output our entire set of images, what we can do is import them into the included 360 View Creator application to create our interactive 360 product view. So let's take a look here. Again, it's importing everything directly for us. I'll probably make a couple quick adjustments to the overall output size. Again, we chose 800 pixels wide. So I'm just going to choose, let's go custom, pardon me, width. And I'll choose save. We need these at 600 for our website. Okay. Alright, so that looks pretty good there. That's again our 360 product view. So let's go ahead and actually output this. I'm just going to call this Perfume, and we'll take a look at the actual 360 view in a browser. Okay, saving to my pre-specified folder, Perfume. And we'll take a look here, and again we output this at 600 pixels wide, so we'll just open it in a browser for local viewing. And there we can see the interactive 360 product view that we created, moving it left and right to view all my different angles. If you have any questions, let us know. Again, the company is Iconasys, creating 360 product views on pure white backgrounds instantly. Thank you.